Is your Honda Pilot infotainment system showing a black screen when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Data shows that 80% of intermittent CarPlay blackouts are caused by simple cable wear. Let us diagnose the root cause of your screen failure. Start by swapping your cable for a certified one and clearing any lint from your phone charging port. If hardware is fine, try removing the device from both the Pilot and your iPhone settings before reconnecting. Always verify that both your iPhone and your Honda infotainment firmware are running the latest software versions. Most users resolve this with simple resets, but persistent black screens may indicate a failing head unit requiring professional service. While a cable fix costs under $20, deep hardware failures can lead to significant dealer repair bills. Performing a hard reset by holding the power button is often the most effective way to clear a frozen interface. Keep a high-quality cable and a non-conductive pick in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the road. Remember that systematic testing is your best tool for saving money at the service center. If these steps did not restore your CarPlay, consult your dealership for a potential head unit firmware update.